Howdy. Update to a story we brought you last week. No. Here we go again. Multiple misfires, and looky what I found. Da-da-da. Dielectric grease in all of the coils. Imagine that. I've been preaching it for some time now. Don't be using that garbage. You filthy animal. No, seriously, I mean, this stuff does nothing but problems. So, just thought I'd try to reiterate that, that here we go again. Dielectric grease and its ways to prevent problems actually causes them. So, there you go. And as I always say, hasta luego. See ya. Happy trails. Please like and subscribe. Comments are appreciated too. See ya.